all normal.
No, when you're on the ground. Up here, maybe. The rules of the sky are different.
Did you bring your parachute along?
I forgot my parachute.
Oh, but it's good. Boy, that's a beautiful sunrise there with the 4 peaks, and then the McDowells are right there in front of us. That the sun's going to be coming up over, and then in the forefront of the McDowells, that's all Scottsdale.
Long ways away.
And then if you guys look down here to the south, the mountains down here to the south, you can see that mountain in the middle of the valley that looks like a pyramid there. That's the hump of Camelback Mountain. The peak of the pyramid's the hump of the camel, and then if you follow it down to the right, you can see the head. So that's where it gets its name from, Camelback Mountain.
Does this take a lot of fuel?
We usually burn about 30 gallon-ish per flight.
What kind of fuel is it?
It's propane, just like your barbecue grill.
Yeah.
Yep. And then, have you got your, okay, you're wearing your camera, okay.
There's the horse.
Your GoPro.
Yeah, I got one there, one up here, and then one up there.
Oh, okay, you got one up there too. Okay, you watching that one with your phone, or are you watching that one on your phone?
No,
you just got her. Okay, perfect.
I hope you get them. I hope you have them hooked on, but.
Oh,
yeah, if it falls off.
We got more. We got more. We just say lose the pictures.
Is that the 8?
That's the 7. This one's the 8, and this one's the 7.
Okay. Okay. Cool. I have an 8. See, we take it out. I take it out and put it up sometimes.
It does some pretty weird things on the hyper smooth thing. I noticed.
Oh, okay. I'm still. I just got one a couple months ago, and honestly, I've only used it a couple times. I'm still kind of getting the feel for it, how to use it, and so trying to download it on the computer and all that kind of stuff and everything.
Oh, look at all the
And that's a vet. This is a vet right down here.
Okay.
Is this one not? Oh, you can't. You couldn't tell.
Yep.
Things are getting
Guys,
smaller.
now you can kind of start looking out. You can see the dome of the Cardinal Stadium over here in Glendale.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
To the right or where? Yep, over here to the southwest. I'll rotate you around.
Way over.
See a little bit. You can see the sun just starting to shine on it right now. Yep.
That's way out there.
Yep. Then you got the sun hitting the white tanks out there now, the mountains to the west.
What are those called?
The white tank mountains. Yep.
I've never heard that.
And like I said, we got Camelback Mountain down here, the one we looked at, and then if you look over more to the right, the more jagged peak that's over to the right, then that's Piestewa Peak or Squall Peak.
Okay. They named it after that first woman killed in the Rocky War, right?
And then like I said, this is Carefree Highway right here. This is the highway that we came down on to meet.
So what's running the other way?
I'm sorry? This is Carefree.
No, that's Carefree. What's running opposite?
This is Carefree Highway, this highway right down here. And then out there, way out there, then you got I-17 that's running north and south. And then out there, the headlight, you got the 303.
Yeah, that's...
That's the Carefree right under it?
Yep, this is Carefree right under it. Yep.
And the town of Carefree is that
The
way?
town of Carefree is actually this way. It's if you look back over here, this town here that runs up the side of the hill directly to the east, then that's Cave Creek, and then the valley over there on the other side of the hills, and that's Carefree.
I get those two mixed up always, Cave Creek, Carefree, but they're right close, so...
Yep, that they are.
You ever get in trouble for landing someplace you weren't supposed to be?
Every great now and then.
Yeah.
It's a muddy hole. And why would you land someplace you weren't supposed to be? Because of wind?
Yes, yep, sometimes it just happens that way, yep.
Or sometimes you wouldn't know, or
Like I said, it's just Mother Nature.
Mother Nature.
Yep. Then you see the granite pit out there where you got the lights out there, the big hole.
You're good.
Big hole in the ground.
You're good.
Then this is all the Union Hills out there by the granite pit, that second set of hills over there.
Taylor to Whitten. Copy.
Keep talking to you?
Yep. Yeah, go ahead, Taylor. Yep, I got you, Taylor. Go ahead.
You got up there?
Presently, pretty much nothing. I haven't had anything coming all the way up yet. I'm 3,100 feet climbing. Haven't had anything.
Anything like what?
Any wind speed.
Wind.
Oh.
What do you have for a wind up there?
Presently, about 1 mile an hour. Presently, about 1 mile an hour.
You gonna get out of the balloon and race it, Daniel?
I'm supposed to beat it down.
So how often you turn the gas on and why?
To keep us going up. To keep us going up or keep us level.
Okay.
Yep.
It's for you, Daniel. Did you get it?
So if your equipment...
Hey.
Hey, I can hear you. I think you can hear me.
Uh,
My back. What do you got up there?
I don't have anything. Say right now I'm at 3,500, about 2 to the north, but I haven't had anything more. That's the fastest I've had so far.
Alright, sounds good.
All right, see ya.
So if you had equipment failure, gas or whatever, you'd have to land.
Yep, and that's why we have 2 everything, kind of redundancy. Yep. So if you guys look down south now, you can see the city of downtown Phoenix through the haze down there.
Oh yeah.
That's terrible.
I don't
It
know-
used to
I
be
don't know
so
what that
clear when we can-
Big building. What's that big building
Depends
way
on-
over?
Where's that?
Phoenix area.
Oh, you got all Phoenix there. You
The
got
big building on the right there.
the big over here.
Yeah, that's straight out.
You
Oh,
do-
that's steam.
smoke.
That's
Yeah,
steam.
Yeah.
Yep, that's steam from some of the industrial parks over
Okay, not a building.
there. No. And like I said, the biggest building there in the valley is the dome out there in the Cardinal Stadium.
That must be a little housing area right out there.
Yep, that's a little housing development. Yes, it is.
Seems like you move a little now.
Yeah, we're getting a little bit of movement. Crawling along. About 3.5.